Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best solar security cameras is probably one of the most innovative solutions for home and business security, offering a sustainable and wire-free way to monitor your property. These advanced cameras harness the power of the sun, ensuring continuous operation without the hassle of frequent battery changes or the need for complex wiring, making them an ideal choice for remote locations or areas where power access is limited. With features like high-definition video, night vision, and motion detection, you can gain peace of mind knowing your premises are protected 24/7, all while contributing to a greener environment. Number 5. EUFY Security eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. Experience smooth operation with your Apple smart home systems. It's perfect for those seeking a security camera without monthly fees. This outdoor camera stands strong in any weather condition. It promises year-round reliability for your home security needs. Operate this security camera without the worry of additional expenses. No monthly fees are required to enjoy its full features. Enjoy extended, hassle-free security monitoring with an impressive 180-day battery life on a single charge. It requires minimal maintenance. Intelligent human detection accurately identifies human presence using body shape and face pattern recognition. This elevates security measures for a robust system. Capture every detail with 1080p HD resolution. You'll always have a clear view, day or night, thanks to advanced night vision. Receive alerts only when motion is detected. This ensures you're notified of important events without unnecessary interruptions. What we like. If you're deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem, this camera offers seamless HomeKit compatibility. Its robust IP67 rating ensures it can withstand harsh weather, and the exceptional 180-day battery life means less frequent charging. This is the ideal choice for Apple users seeking reliable, low-maintenance outdoor security. What people say. The solar panel keeps the battery fully charged. The camera has excellent night vision capabilities. Motion detection is very accurate and sends timely alerts. Number 4. AOSU Solar Security Camera Wireless Outdoor System. Experience complete all-around visibility of your property. With advanced PTZ technology and one-tap quick patrol, you can effortlessly scan and view your entire area in real time. Stay informed with smart motion tracking that follows activity, sending instant alerts. Its high-resolution 3K, 5MP, lens ensures you capture every detail with exceptional clarity. Don't let darkness hide anything with our full-color night vision. Integrated spotlights and powerful alarms work together to deter intruders and enhance your security. Communicate with visitors in real time using the built-in two-way talk. AI noise reduction ensures your conversations are always clear and free from background distractions. Setting up is a breeze with quick Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. You can also easily grant access to family and friends, sharing your security experience. What we like. For those who need comprehensive surveillance, this camera's 360 degrees PTZ capabilities are unmatched, providing complete coverage of your property. The high 3K 5MP resolution and full-color night vision ensure you capture every detail, even in the dark. Choose this if you want to monitor large areas or have complex property layouts. What people say. The solar panel keeps the battery fully charged, so I don't have to worry about recharging it. The camera has a wide field of view, allowing me to monitor a large area. The motion detection is very sensitive and alerts me to any activity. Number 3. PEEIPM Wireless Outdoor Solar Security Cameras. Experience true 2K high-definition image quality for clearer visuals. With Starlight night vision and built-in floodlights, you get colorful images even at night, ensuring your family is always protected. Our advanced battery stores power for 1 to 3 months, and the solar panel provides a continuous energy source. You'll never need to worry about removing it for charging again. It detects intruders and triggers an audible alarm to scare them away. Plus, communicate directly through the camera anytime, anywhere, to warn unwanted visitors and secure your home. Leveraging AI, it intelligently classifies alerts for packages, people, animals, and cars. This helps you prioritize important notifications and simplifies your home monitoring. With an IP66 waterproof rating, it's ready for any weather. You can also customize alert areas and times, share access with family, and view multiple cameras simultaneously. What we like. Never worry about charging again with its innovative design that combines a high-capacity battery with continuous solar power. The color night vision and integrated sound and light alarm actively deter intruders, providing enhanced safety. This is perfect for users who prioritize uninterrupted power and proactive security measures. What people say. The solar panel is very efficient and keeps the battery fully charged even on cloudy days. The camera has excellent night vision capabilities, providing clear images even in complete darkness. Installation was straightforward, and the app is user-friendly, making it easy to monitor the cameras remotely. Number 2. AOSU 3K5MP Wireless Home Surveillance System. Experience unparalleled clarity with our 3K5MP resolution, offering a 40% sharper image than 2K. Capture every detail, day or night, with vibrant color night vision and powerful spotlights that leave nothing unseen. With a 166 degrees ultra-wide angle lens and advanced image correction, you can cover every corner of your property. Eliminate blind spots and gain a more expansive view, ensuring you feel safer and more secure. Our system offers intelligent camera-to-camera tracking and syncing, automatically linking events across multiple cameras. Effortlessly review footage from your front door to your backyard, all connected seamlessly. Enjoy peace of mind with 60 days of video storage included, with no subscription fees or hidden costs. Your encrypted video data is securely stored locally, with optional cloud services available. Cut the cords and enjoy wireless flexibility. Our solar-powered system provides all-day, all-night power with just a few hours of sunlight, eliminating the hassle of wired installations. Install your security system in minutes with our wire-free design and compact size. The solar panel can be mounted separately for optimal sunlight, while the camera can be placed in a sheltered location for longevity. What we like. Experience superior clarity with its 3K5MP resolution and enjoy advanced security through intelligent camera-to-camera tracking. The flexible solar panel placement allows for optimal charging while the camera can be mounted in a sheltered spot. This system is excellent for users who want the highest image quality and a smart, interconnected security network. What people say. The solar panel keeps the battery fully charged. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a large area. Motion detection is accurate and sends alerts promptly. Number 1. SOLIOM 5MP Wireless Outdoor Security Cameras. Experience unparalleled clarity with our 5MP Ultra HD security cameras. Enjoy vibrant, detailed footage day and night, and zoom in up to 30 feet to capture every crucial detail in real time. Forget monthly fees. All your recordings are securely encrypted and stored locally on the SOLIOM base, offering up to 2 months of loop recording with no hidden costs. Our cameras intelligently pan, tilt, and rotate to follow any movement, providing a complete 360 degrees view of your property. Multiple cameras work together to track motion seamlessly across different areas. Keep your cameras powered effortlessly with our high-efficiency solar panels. Just a few hours of sunlight daily ensures reliable performance, even on cloudy days. Enjoy stable, long-range coverage with automatic connection to either 2.4G or 5G Wi-Fi bands. Setup is incredibly simple, just connect the base to your router, power it on, and your cameras are ready to go. See what's happening even in complete darkness. Our advanced color night vision technology provides clear, detailed images, ensuring your property is protected around the clock. What we like. If you need dynamic and comprehensive motion tracking, this camera's 360 degrees auto motion tracking is a standout feature. Its 5MP Ultra HD video quality ensures you see every detail, and the dual-band Wi-Fi offers a stable connection. This is the best pick for users who want intelligent tracking and a robust, reliable wireless connection. What people say. The solar panel keeps the battery fully charged. The camera has a wide field of view, capturing a large area. Motion detection is sensitive and alerts are sent promptly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.